This brand is made in Canada and is available throughout North America but only through a limited dealer network. The units can be standalone systems or they can be integrated with the home's duct HVAC system, but the guarantee on the units is only average when compared to other brands. The E150 TRG models have a 150 CFM capacity with independent electronically adjustable supply and exhaust blowers. The units use automatic timed recirculation defrost that is controlled by an outdoor temperature sensor. They provide for easy installation with connections on the top of the unit and east twist-in duct collars, and they have MERV6 filters to keep the air clean. The E190 TRG models have a 190 CFM capacity and come with standard washable aluminum screen filters which do not do much to clean the air, but they can be easily replaced with better filters. The E280 SRG models have a 280 CFM capacity with variable speed blowers, but they come with the basic aluminum screen filters. The InspirAir top model has standard MERV 10 supply air filters, and they offer optional MERV 13, MERV 15, and MERV 13 with activated carbon filters for enhanced air quality. They have an onboard humidity sensor that will automatically adjust the ventilation when the humidity level gets too high, and they have a 265 CFM capacity, but the guarantee on the units is not very good when compared to their other models. This brand receives an overall 2-star don't buy rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.